How to send videos in Gmail. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can send videos in Gmail. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up Gmail. Once you have opened up Gmail, what you can do is you can proceed to tap on compose and compose a mail here. Now you can see the option you want to enter whom do you want to send it to, so you can see the address here and subject, and you can compose the email. But if you want to send a video, tap on this little icon here, the pin type icon beside the arrow icon at the top of your screen, then select files option. Now once you select files, you can either select the videos from your files directly, or you can also here, so let me show you here, tap on this option again, tap on photos option, and then select videos or photos here from here and send it directly. So it'll start, tap on it. Now however, if the size exceeds the size, then it'll compress the video. If you are unable to compress the video, then what you can do is you can upload the video first to Google Drive, and then you can share the link through mail as well if it exceeds the limit. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.